let go to stop. Don't bump the car ahead, and if you stop, you let go, then you push back again. Fine for you? Perfect. Enjoy.
Okay, Moana, here we go! Beep, beep!
Electric car.
Here we go! See how the night sky glows. See the light from the night train. Fire glow from the night train. Under the line he blows. Woo woo! Under the line he blows. Off through the lights they go. Hear the sound from the night train. So check out the night train. Hear how his whistle blows. Woo woo! Hear how his whistle blows. Pulling, heating, big engine breathing, pistons pushing side by side. Driver checking, gauging, peering, five and stoking by his side. Off through the night they go. Fast track from the mail train, clear away from the post train. Non-stop all night they go. Woo woo! Non-stop all night they go. See how the night sky glows. Clear ahead from the night train. Green light of the night train. Onto the track he blows. Woo woo! Onto the track he blows. Through the bridge we go. Dawn is breaking, sleepy town waking. Children waving, watch him go. Freight trains, milk trains, boat trains waiting. Stand aside to let him go. There in the morning glow, the sunlight of the night train, silhouette of the night train, under the line he blows. Woo woo! There in the morning glow, under the line he blows. Hear the sound of the night train, so check out the night train. Hear how his whistle blows. Woo woo! Hear how his whistle blows. Under the line he blows. Under the line he blows. Silhouette. Careful, Martin! Under the line he blows. Under the line he blows.
You are approaching the unload area. Prepare to stop. Do not lock the car ahead. Once you have reached the unload area, please remain seated until the car behind you has parked.
Mission accomplished. Thank you, Thomas. Now I get back to work, and you can drive on to the chocolate factory. Good luck.